This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting your progress. Backup saves and the original game dump so you can revert if needed. Once done, confirm Ryujinx is on a current stable build and that your game files are valid. Next, open the mod package and inspect the contents so you know whether it replaces files or patches assets. Make sure Ryujinx is closed while you prepare files, because copying over active files can corrupt the game. This step prevents common mistakes. You now install the mod by placing files into Ryujinx's game folder structure. Find the correct title ID directory under the emulator's user folder. Once located, copy the mod content into the matching folders, taking care not to overwrite saved data or system files. If the mod lists specific files to replace, follow that exactly. For patch-style mods, replace only the targeted assets. After copying, verify file names and sizes. Small mismatches often break loading, so double-check before launching. You can now launch Ryujinx and start the game to confirm the mod applied. Look for visible changes in menus or gameplay. If the game crashes or behaves oddly, immediately close the emulator and restore your backup, then reapply mods one at a time to find the culprit. Also enable Ryujinx logs and inspect them for missing file errors or asset mismatches. Logs tell you what failed so you can correct file names or dependencies. This approach gets you running mods reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.